see.
Huh?
Nedu number no dey call. You don't see Nedu today?
I see him in the afternoon today. He tell me saying they come shy, but he did very, very busy at the time when I tell her.
What's happened now? Nedu no dey. How Nedu go abandon me like this now?
I called him before now. He's saying the road. Oh, no, he never even go safe. I don't know what happened. Never not go.
Oh, Nedu don't follow another woman. Be this waiting. I been at the telephone. No, they work. Hello.
I don't trust Nedu. No, see tomorrow na Friday.
So where in Coco now?
I don't know.
Now welcome on Top the Night Show. I don't see Nedu. So may we do this show anyhow. If he come today, Inko tell us where Inko. Where if he ever come, be that. Inko talk say where Inko.
Shoot us.
Nedu. Nedu.
Wait.
Nedu, where you go since? He see me say he see you for afternoon. Where you go, Nedu?
I see him today now, Nedu. You not tell me say you no go.
You don't see how I dress?
With your red shoe. I can't give you that shoe.
No, na my own.
Nedu, where you dey from?
Wait here.
No, come sit down here. This your chair. No,
you know like say you call me and no answer. Your
phone no dey call. I don't call since your phone no dey call.
I lost my house key.
Your house key.
But that's why I see you today now.
That's why I take peace this morning now. I lost key. I don't fear enter go dress.
Nedu, where you go when you lost key? Nedu, where you go? Because yesterday you hold that key. You hold the key yesterday.
You lost your
phone.
You lost your phone.
I know my phone inside. I been drop phone inside out. My just come out, call meet person waiting downstairs. Now, as it since 4:30, I never see my key. I don't know where my key is.
So you just the perambulate, just the room about like a
I don't go security post. I don't go. You know, say if you lost key, you go waka everywhere. I don't waka all the place where I know say waka pass. So I not see key.
Go come and sit down. Sit down. Show don't start.
How they can't let you pass gates?
I don't know.
How they not gonna let me pass gates? They must let me pass gates.
They don't know you like this, Nedu. That's why.
I beg.
This shoe. I don't give you that shoe.
No, now my own shoe be this one. I couldn't get it. Me, I get my own.
So you get now two copy only. I think they sell for that shop.
No, now one copy. Anyway, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show.
You wear red shoe, I wear red shoe.
Hey, we wear to match and you go wear it. And you go wear it. Hey, see now. My boxers too now, right?
Yeah, they don't know now.
Okay.
That red one, wait until it finishes.
No, I buy new red one.
When you buy them?
Buy new red one.
Okay, now today when you go down market.
That we get pocket.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show. I'm not vex dressed like this. I lost my key. I never see until now.
No, Nedu, you all right like this. You won't be like ECB. You just be say ECB don't wear facing cap.
No, ECB not. No, you don't change the earring and I shine one now. Not be red. No, but like that period, maybe.
Not that earring. ECB wear that red earring now for the 10 period.
Now for like 10 period. Anyway, welcome on Top the Night Show for today. My name is Nedu Katim as usual. Don't sit down. For today on Top the Night Show, plenty things now we'll go talk about today. Those of you when they Twitter, una go don't see the thing when they say what talk about today. But those of you when they say no they Twitter, una go here and now. Double toilet or able DJ Easy Beat. We want to know something before we forget. DJ Easy Beats a get club when they say they VI. For those of you where they Lagos, he get club where they VI New Grotto. Then they host
Easy don't blow. We don't tell you before.
Easy Beat don't blow.
Easy don't blow.
Then they do party for Easy Beat tomorrow. So those of you where they Lagos, when they be say if you come VI tomorrow evening, you go fit come VI for Etimiang Crescent for New Grotto. Make you join.
You go see Nedu, you go see me,
you go see me, you go see Katim, Easy Beat, all of us. Make you join us. Can't do the whole waka. But anyway, we will start the show for today. Before we start show, you get two gist.
Everything. World don't finish. If you like say world don't blow.
This world don't end.
The world don't end. That's sign of end time.
Una know say some states, those of you wey know, some states for inside Jamaica, they don't legalize Igbo. Jamaica. To the smoke Igbo.
But Jamaica, they don't smoke and
they don't smoke and since. I want Rastafari.
Yeah, man. They put the replay.
Boka. Then we don't smoke Igbo before. But some states now for inside America don't legalize Igbo. Some. But you get another new one again.
Legalize them here.
You get another new one again. Another state will legalize Igbo. Day before yesterday. Down Alaska. No. Alaska. Colombia.
No,
Colorado. Those ones that we don't legalize Igbo for Washington, Colorado.
You don't go there before. See as you call and like say you don't go there before.
No. And
call them again.
Colorado. I don't go Colorado. No, I never go Colorado. I don't go Texas. I don't go New York.
Only
I don't go Apapa.
Apapa for the Jews.
Apapa. Oh, you never see Oshodi for New Year's?
It is.
No. Oh, Oshodi for US. If you go like this, that street. If you go like this, that Oshodi street.
Yes.
Then you go straight. If you turn right,
down.
you get one woman where they sell food for that place. You know woman. Anyway, Alaska just joined people when they say don't legalize Igbo now for inside America. 2 days ago, then they do the legal now. Everybody now feel they smoke Igbo there now for free.
So you feel waka for road, just they.
If you don't do it, they smoke Igbo now. Police go feel pass now.
You wanna go hell on yourself.
The police will say, yo man, what's happening, man? Can I take a sip? Can I take off a drag of the Igbo? Say, no, yeah man, take it, man. The police are attacking.
Whoa, don't spoil.
Say Jewish, then go. Now, another state where Oregon, that one maybe later in the year then go legalize that one.
But the matter, they still on top the matter
they
right
now.
now.
On top of it right now.
Chai.
What me and Katim an easy bit now come the reason. Now say if then legalize Igbo for Nigeria.
Hey!
Oh! Easy bit go keep us in better now. Now me say when any of our governor don't take Igbo, they won't come give speech.
Address state of the nation.
Wait, we get one of our studio person. Make a come turn up. Come. Waka come. Imagine say you be fashola now. Come stay for here. Face camera too. Imagine say you be fashola now. Okay, mo no call any governor. Okay, fashola no vex so. Imagine say you be governor.
Any governor.
Any governor for Nigeria. Yes. They don't legalize Igbo.
And you don't smoke.
And you don't smoke and fool.
Just before you want address.
Just before you want address, you want to talk about something for the country. The thing don't enter your head. Bah!
Yes.
In a rasta, I go take talk.
All right, people, Wagwan people. I'm in there. I'm in the man them call governor, you know, see what me I say. So, anyway, me have a little thing them, you know. All right, me have a drag, so see. All right, people. All right, democracy day upon the area now, so, but blood clot, you know. Respect. Nothing to me.
Pastor, when they church go say, I am my brethren,
man. See it on
Spirit
there.
are upon us now.
True that, you know.
True that. You have to give your life to Jesus. Rastafari man. Rastafari is the last chop a man.
I and I respect, you know.
Thank you.
Rasta.
Bra.
Zaga.
Give up Zaga. Give up Zaga. Bra. Gonna be out. Bra. Go sit down.
It goes with you.
Now so you can't get one G's where I remember. Imagine now. This one now something. Terry G. When I know Terry G said the Terry G they smoke Igbo where?
Where?
We know. We know the high time. We know.
Where?
Terry G can't go worry. Are they giving a gist? Terry G go worry. May go perform. Easy beat. Not be him. Terry G can't reach worry. One come perform. Can't go backstage. Cause I beg. He never ginger. He want smoke something. Then they can't give him. Igbo. Terry G can't smoke. Joe the dragon. Then the guy where give him the Igbo say, Baba. Not be so dragon small. It's nothing. The one who they smoke for Lagos is not this one. Terry G smoke. Not be in, they can't shout for stage. The MC can't shout. Yeah, the next person coming on stage right now is Terry G. Everybody come clap. Hey! Terry G just enter stage. Ginger, aka swagger. Yeah, pra.
He can't ring that in bell.
He can't ring, no, he never ring bell. Pra. You know me, Mr. Sing Song, Mr. Ginger, Mr. Sing Song. He can't say make DJ give him beat. Yo, DJ, track 2. As DJ can't they give beat, he can't say make him go back small. Go take another drag of Igbo.
Make
As
him
he
go back very well.
He can't take.
You take it how many times?
Like 3 times. He can't go backstage. That in bell now. He can't knock him. Bang! I wish I no knock the bell. As he knock the bell, bang! Now so something come blow for your head. Pow! Taraji call home mic. All of me want all of you. Love your curves and all your edges. All your perfect imperfection. His manager could say, no be our song, no be our song. Sing our song. He say, as I don't hold the mic, God do it. So my brothers and sisters in the Lord, make we pray, make they not legalize it for Nigeria because wahala go dey.
No,
and then
no wahala for
wahala go dey.
No be.
You waiting like this, you never smoke it be like this. If you can't smoke it, how you go be?
Hey. No.
Anyway, the second story. For inside the South Korea now.
Now South Korea, Hong Kong.
South Korea.
Yeah, I feel about who came now.
South Korea.
Hong Kong, South Korea.
Lord, now they don't legalize adultery now.
As he say they do am before, so he come be like say no they hide carry torchlight for night waka.
Then they don't legalize them now. So if you marry for South Korea now, you can't cheat on your wife anyhow. And in fact, your wife,
husband
you can't cheat on your husband. In a normal thing now, they need to hide them for South Korea now.
No,
Nobody
these
will
are
begin.
these are sign of end times.
If they legalize them for Nigeria,
No.
Normal Nigerian men, they do their own bad things.
Oh.
Like Easy Beat,
Yeah.
Rastafari, I 9-1. I talk anything.
You see be never.
I talk anything.
You see no fit.
I talk anything.
Well.
Anyway, that adultery matter now go carry us enter straight into the topic of today. What we going to discuss today for inside the show?
If you be man or woman, or
If
this
you
thing
be
no be
man or woman, you know, yes. The question na say, you prefer to marry virgin or person will not be virgin? Now be what we go talk about today. You
Which
prefer
one could make man quick enter adultery? If he no marry.
Katim, not be the question be that.
No, I
the
just
question,
dey think
the question now say you prefer to marry virgin or person will not be virgin. Think before you call us. For here we go back more chicken break.
You
Oh,
come-
you don't notice our new set?
What do you go prefer?
We don't come out
Our drink. Now we dey now Nedu. Oh. Nedu, those people know they now. Those our children know they today. If I keep them, make them take nap, play bit.
Anyway, make we hand over to Easy Bit. When we come back, when I go begin the call us, make we know what you think on top of the matter. Still on top of the night show, we dey come back.